So Mom sent us a package. I think it's mostly for you. I don't know of anything for me, and I don't know of anything in there actually. So here we go. Let's see what's in it.
Oh, okay.
I'm guessing some good stuff. Ooh,
Give me a minute.
nice.
Oh, we got the candy.
Nice.
Those are my two favorite.
Choco
cookies.
babies and oh yeah, we bought in bigger boxes
Yeah.
of those, haven't we? Yeah, those are good.
I haven't tried the rest.
I'm
We
sure.
got two of those.
I think all snacks from Japan are good, so I'm sure it's good.
This is adorable. It's a
What is
white,
it?
it's like, I forgot what it's called. Yeah, I can't remember what it's called.
Oh, let's get it out of the bag. There we go. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness, it's so soft.
I know, right? And then we got a brown one.
Oh, brown one too. Cool. They must be brothers or sisters.
She found the slippers I wanted.
Oh, I was gonna get you some slippers for Christmas maybe. So
These are
I guess
cute.
it's a good thing I didn't.
I mean, they're very colorful, but I like them.
That's very cool. I love them. Are you kidding me? Maybe she got them for me.
No, mine. I will hide them.
Yeah, right.
I'm guessing candy you have to make or something?
That's what it looks like. Looks like something you
know.
mix in a spoon or
Yeah, probably.
looks good though.
We got whatever
Nice.
this is. I've never tried
Chocolate
it.
rings. Looks like chocolate rings.
Probably.
That's good. I think
We
chocolate's
got
good.
two of this.
Oh, it's like a hard candy.
I
Like,
don't know.
oh, there's fruits
I've
on
never
it. So
tried a lot of these, so
I see strawberries. So
I'm guessing like chocolate puzzle pieces or something.
ooh,
I don't know if I'm getting any of these right, but you know,
yeah.
might
Well,
as well try.
we'll find out when you eat them.
More
Ooh, nice, like chocolate
chocolate.
cookies.
I'm hoping to
They
try.
kind of look like ghost face.
My feet.
Ghost face pandas.
What is this? Oh, more like rings, probably.
Oh yeah.
I see
Oh, they're like
cookies.
funnel kind of. Ooh, what are
Pens.
those pens?
Yes.
Oh, those look like they're makeup or
Beautiful.
something. Those are pretty, really pretty.
They're pens, right?
I
Yeah, I'm hoping
sure.
they're pens right
I'm
now.
assuming they're pens.
I'm just gonna I can't see the box.
Oh, I already see more snacks in there. My goodness. Oh my goodness, so many snacks. Keep on going. You got a ways to go. Oh, that's cute.
Netflix.
A Netflix bear.
Oh, I've seen the show. Like it's
Oh, that's
they have
funny.
a show on there. You can't see. it
Oh,
because of the
okay.
fact that they
Gotcha.
have a show. I've seen
Okay.
like one episode.
I was like, they just make stuffed animals that are Netflix? Oh, nice.
two of
Two of them. She got a couple.
Yeah.
Nice.
We got candy. We got these umbrella things.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Are those like suckers? You suck on them? They have candies like that here in America, I think, kind of like that. So I'm not sure if it's the same thing.
What is this?
Jelly beans. It's just look on the side. It's jelly beans.
My toes.
Playful.
Playful.
Jelly beans.
So it makes
Nice.
you think like playful and like a.
Oh my
like a
goodness.
Accent.
Box is half done.
Oh my goodness.
Big box of strawberry candies.
These are good. I think I've tried them before like once.
Oh,
But
really?
These are good.
They look good.
Got more candy.
More candy.
You gotta make them.
Okay. It's hard to tell. It looks like you make a sucker or something, or I don't know what it is.
Who knows?
Let's see what. Oh, that's
I think it's
cute.
fallen.
Oh, that's super cute.
I don't even know like what's that part is supposed
I don't
to do
know.
with it.
These
But
are
those
super
so
cute. They're like paper clips,
I know,
binder
right?
clips. Those are super cute.
Joy to the-
Nice. I like those a lot.
I call them. Haha.
I might steal one.
Oh,
What are they?
they're pom pom. I don't know how to say it right, but
Oh, they're socks. Oh, that's super cute.
I know, right?
You know what it's called? Oh, it's in Japanese. They're socks.
Pom pom.
Those are cute socks.
The thing that's like on these.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah, it is. Sandals, I'm sorry, slippers, socks,
Ready?
and the clips. Okay, what's next?
I don't know. What is this? You,
More socks?
I don't think so. Oh, it's one of those.
It's like a headband thing.
Yeah. Give me a minute.
For ear warmers kind of thing?
No, it's just like. Give me this.
It's upside down, but it's fine. It's okay. There you go. There
Give
you
me a
go.
minute.
That's better. Nice.
Oh, my ear.
It's called a headband, by the way. Nice. It's adorable. Keep it on while we do the rest of the video.
Okay.
Nice.
I'm
keeps your hair
kinda
back.
bald right now, but you know.
You don't look bald at all.
We got more.
More of the fruit candies. Nice.
There's a lot of things in this.
It's like
So we
a.
got like one of those things, one of
Oh,
those
yeah.
things.
Boy, there's a lot in there.
I like that.
From Mom's Friends, Daughters. Oh, nice.
Cute. That's a
Open it
wait.
up.
That's actually really cute.
Open it up. Let's see what's inside.
Give me a minute. This is gonna take a minute. Okay, I'm taking this off.
It's in a bow. Just pull the bow open. Oh, there you go.
It just came off.
Yeah, it just came off. That's easy.
This is cute.
Oh my goodness, this box is still heavy.
Don't fall. Okay. Okay. Let's do it.
Oh, that's cute stuff.
Okay, we got this. We got
Nice.
this. I like that. Never mind. Look,
Very
this
cute.
is so soft.
Oh, is it? Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's super
The face.
soft. That's adorable.
I'll figure out how to put the face back on. But
Oh, that's
wait,
cute.
I did it. There you go.
So
wait,
are those, those are chipmunks.
these are my favorite. Okay, I love these.
That's super
No, the
cute.
face.
No, you gotta keep the face on though. That's fine.
There you go.
That's cute. I like it. Very cool
Okay,
stuff.
that's my favorite.
I'm gonna go ahead and guess none of this is for me. It's all for you.
Oh, there's two things. These are adorable.
What are they?
Look at them.
Oh my goodness, like bracelets? Or,
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, I don't know, actually.
Charm bands,
Oh.
yeah. Oh my goodness, that's
That's
so cute.
adorable. This is so much stuff.
That is so much stuff. Wow.
I know, right? Oh, you got
Oh, are those Pikmins?
the
It's like
candy.
it's like a Nintendo game. Yeah, it's a Pikmin candy. Pikmin is a Nintendo game.
Yeah.
What are those?
I don't know. I just see Animal Crossing. I don't know what it is. I just see Animal Crossing, but
Ooh.
this is like paper.
That's like
The
a
Animal
notepad. Oh,
Crossing.
message cards. Oh yeah, like Animal Crossing. I don't know what it is. We'll have to open it in a minute.
We got
It's cool.
the pens. I'm guessing.
Looks like that's just
Yeah.
pencils,
Yeah.
mechanical
Oh,
pencils and
the,
stuff.
like,
So
we got the cooking things.
nice stuff for Mom.
Yeah.
Just bought and shipped home. Wooden
So she
place.
doesn't have to carry it back.
Very cool. Easier to ship stuff back now. What is it?
So like, there's this like thing that's like, it's like pineapple, but this is like, do you know? Remember those candies I used to buy? That's like the pineapples.
Yeah, yeah.
This is pineapple candy bubble bath.
Really? Oh, that'd be cool.
That's awesome.
That is awesome. I like.
Now
I like how you're shocked at everything you get. That's funny.
you know the chocolate things that I
Oh,
yeah, this is strawberry.
those are
filled now.
good. Yeah, that looks good. Nice. I'll have those. Ooh, what is that?
I don't know. Here, we're gonna push it to the side for a minute. I don't know how to get it
Is
open.
that like a squishy?
No, it's.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, no,
I like that.
I like that a lot. That's super cute.
It's gonna go right by me.
I like it.
I'm gonna keep this.
I like this one.
Reminds me of Japan.
This one looks like it's a troublemaker. That's funny.
You've never heard the story.
I
I still
don't know.
like how
I
soft
don't
this
know.
is.
I know it's super soft.
Okay.
Like I don't
getting
even know how to
back.
describe how soft it is.
I don't know what this is. Probably something. You know, something special. So we're just gonna.
So open it. That's how I know what it is.
Probably just mom stuff.
Well, we'll find out. Just open it. I've got one hand. Okay, I'm not that special.
Oh,
Tell you what I'm most excited about though.
what is it?
Tweezers.
Wow.
Just kidding.
Only the.
Oh, don't
Only
get me
Japan
wrong.
has the good
Don't get me wrong,
stuff.
those are cool.
Yeah, more tweezers.
Oh, nice. Never have too many tweezers, right?
It's just incense and all that.
Ah, okay.
So-
So mom stuff. Okay, that's cool.
I told you.
Well, you were right. I admit it.
This is hard. Give me a minute. Oh.
Getting close.
Something that's probably mom, so we're not gonna do anything with it.
You think so?
Yeah,
Okay.
we can ask her. What is this? Probably just for
I'm
sure.
guessing that's mom's.
Yeah.
So just put it down.
in here.
Ooh, a
see a
calendar.
dog
That's
calendar.
cute. Oh my goodness. Let me see the puppy on there right there. Aww.
And then like
That's
look,
super
look.
cute.
Give it to me. You can just like stand it right here, and then like it
Yeah.
flips.
That's adorable. Oh my goodness. So cute, some of those dogs on there. Oh my goodness.
It's a Shiba.
That's a very fluffy Shiba.
It is.
Oh, those are cute. That's cool.
This-
Oh my goodness. That's a
I
Pomeranian.
love
think that's
dogs.
a Pomeranian. That's adorable. No, you're not getting more dogs.
Okay, yeah.
Spoon. That's probably for Mom.
I don't know. I really don't know.
We'll open it up. Open it up.
We'll open it in a minute. We got whatever this is.
Nice. It's powdery. Looks like a drink mixer, maybe.
I see the word bath.
It says Metaboo. Looks like bath. Probably bubble bath or something, or bath salts.
And I'm already in love with this.
And, oh, that's cute. What does it say? What does that say?
I'm not going to say it because I don't know if I'm saying it right, so.
Yeah. Anyway, it's really cute, though.
But
Okay.
this is mine now.
Looks like that's it. Yeah, until Mom gets back, and then we'll see. Cool. Wow. Look at all that stuff, though.
That was
I'd say you're just a little bit spoiled. Just a little bit. Yeah, I know. I won't tell anyone. Okay. Well, tell Mom thank you.
Thank you.
It's upside down.
Momo? I know it is. Momo. Wait, Momo, come over.
Momo.
Oh.
Say hi to everyone, Momo. Hi. Momo. Oh, Momo's on the table. Okay, say bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You're so serious.
Do you think that's too high, or do you want them?
I need to see this.
I know.
Here, I'll get my camera.
I think it's good. Probably, maybe. I don't know. Somebody, opinion.
I think it's fine.
It's gonna hurt more.
I can get one of theirs. You guys want me to? Kaylee,
Buddy?
do you think these are too high for seconds? Or?
So how big of an earring do you normally wear in your purse? So
You can see right here.
They're kind of figures.
They're usually.
Oh yeah, if you wear stuff like that, that's gonna be fine because then it won't be touching. And if you wear dangles, so like as you can see with mine, even when I'm not wearing like the giant in the second, you can kind of see it still looks okay. But I tend to wear like huge earrings.
Okay.
Yeah, I was going to.
It's just funny seeing your face.
Are you ready? You want me to count down?
No.
Okay, do it.
Yeah.
Oh, it put the earring in and everything. Oh, cool.
Okay, one more time.
Good job, Sophie. You're so good.
Oh my goodness, so much stronger than I thought you'd be.
Are you guys finding everything over?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you know what's a buy three, get three free. So that's our ready. Yeah, Sophie.
I was expecting I was expecting a much better face during all that. Like something I could watch for years.
Yeah, I just gotta
They look good.
I'm in pain. I wish I didn't cry like the first time.
Okay, and then I'm gonna show you how to clean it, and this one I can feel this.
So
So you just want to take 2 combos. It's looking really good.
I mean, we can send it to corporate and see what they say. No, about.
You want to wash
Send it
for
in for
these
the,
ones because seconds are a lot
the
more
CNN
likely to get
contest.
infected.